Good Zelda. Okay. You gotta get the bell again. Okay? Zelda. Bell's in there. Get the bell. Fetch. Good job. That's a good Zelda. Okay, get the bell. It's in here. Zelda. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah. That's a good baby. Okay, you're a piggy. Piggy. Get it. Bring it to Daddy. Yay! Look at that. Okay. You ready to go get it again? Okay. Good girl. Oops. You dropped it. Oh no, you gotta get it. Oh, you tried. Good job. That's a good job. Here it is. Woo. Yummy. Go get it. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. Ooh, you put your paw in that. You don't want me taking it away. Woo, it's dragging a Zelda. Okay. Fetch. Fetch. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. You know I need it. I'm thirsty. Zelda, I'll put it this way. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. No. I need it. Good job. I know, it's heavy. This is pushing the limits. This is like you gotta be the Incredible Hulk. The green monster. Go fetch. Daddy. Yeah, that was a good job. You carried that all the way over for Thirsty Daddy. He needed his St. Patty's beer. You deserved it. That was heavy work. Okay. Whoop. Bring it to Daddy. I'm thirsty. Good job. Good job, Zelda. Okay. Ooh, good. You're hungry. Bring me that. Bring it. Okay, good job. Whoopsies. Don't get there. Mess up. Okay, it's in the cup. You ready? See it go in the cup? Go get it. Yeah! Good job. You're a good girl. I'm thirsty again. Bring me a beer. Good job. You know when Daddy's thirsty, he needs beer. He's snappy. Don't eat it all. Get the bell. You ready? I'm thirsty again, Zelda. Please, thank you. That's a good girl. Zelda. Zelda, bring Daddy his ring. Oh, thank you. That was a good girl. Okay, Zelda. You ready again? Bring Daddy his ring. Bring the ring. Yay! Such a good girl. Yummies. Okay. Zelda, you get the ring out of there. Bring Daddy's ring. Wow. Such a good girl. You went in there and got it for him. Okay, let's do it again. Go get the ring. Go get it. Daddy, good job. Oh, you can have it. Let's get it. Zelda. Zelda. Boop, boop, boop. Get Daddy his ring again. Get it. Oh. Thirsty again. I'm thirsty. Bring Daddy some fresh beer. Zelda, I'm thirsty. Oh, good job. Here's your tip. Oh, good baby. She did a good job. She was today's St. Patty's waitress, ring bearer, and fetcher of all kinds of things. Yay! Good job. Whoa, you're running with the beer.